honey, we have talk.
What is it now?
The drug problems. Oh, drinking problems.
I don't have drinking problems. I'm just
Yes, you
living
do.
life.
And you gave me 3 STDs in the past week.
What's the issue with STDs? Would you rather have coronavirus, that fake shit going on?
Yeah, I would rather have coronavirus.
What's wrong with STDs? Tell me. I don't cheat on you. Sometimes.
What do you mean sometimes?
Well, every now and then I
Hey,
go
what's up, guys? What can I get for you today?
Hey! Can I get gin and tonic, please?
Gin and tonic?
Yes. But anyways, I go out with the pals.
This is what I mean.
No.
You have a drinking problem.
No. I go out with the pals, we bring a few girls home, it's all friendly. We're not gonna talk about that male stripper you brought home for your girls' night the other day. Huh? How many STDs do you have?
Everything all right over here, guys?
No, it's not alright. I need ice.
Ice, coming right up.
You need to fix yourself. I am not the issue in this relationship.
Yes,
I
you
tell
are.
you that.
You gave me
no,
3
I am
STDs.
not. Hurry up on the gin and tonic. I am losing myself.
Sir, this is a bar. I'm not you.
Hey,
Let's have you leave. Let's have you leave.
Baby, stop!
Into fights.
That was your fault. You instantiated that fight. Now, let's go. We gotta leave now.
I'm breaking up with you.
No, you cannot break up with me. No.
I can't stand.
No.
I can't stand you.
No,
drinking
you cannot
and
break
giving
up
me
with
so
me.
many STDs.
Please. I will
and
stop
sleeping
my
with other
alcoholism.
women.
I
I'm
will-
breaking up with you. No.
Come back. No.
What happened? What happened?
My boyfriend broke up with me.
Really? Was he bad? What do you do? What do you do?
Yeah. He has a drinking problem, and he gave me 3 STDs.
Just 3? Come on. Are you okay? I mean, I can take you out sometime, something like park over here. It's just being really close.
Yeah, that would sound great.
All right.
Ah, no! I'ma kill that motherfucker. Fuck that fucker. Anyone home?
Depends on who's asking.
Whoa. Who's this?
They call me 11. You
got
want to know why they call me 11?
Why they call you 11, bro?
It's the number of confirmed kills I have.
You're the man for the job. Listen. I got this motherfucker named Ryan. Oh no, not Ryan. Ben. Maybe you can take it now. How much you asking for that?
2. Make it quick, I don't got all day.
Okay, this thing. Bank code is 0406.
I had lots of fun tonight.
Yeah, me
But
too.
I have to go.
Oh, you have to go.
I'll catch you tomorrow.
All right. Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Hey! You got about 5 seconds. You're coming with me. Get in here. Get in the car. All right, let's go. Do you know why you're here?
No.
You want to know why?
Yes.
It's because they call me the cheater killer.
Oh shit.
Oh.
No.
Give me one reason why we shouldn't kill you right now.
Because I fell in love with you. Your ways of capturing are too hot.
Who's that? Tell you how it's going to go down. You got 2 options. Option A, put a bullet through your head. Option B, let's go down.
Let's go.
Who did that?
Hey! It's you whore ass bitch! What is wrong with you? You broke up with me! You broke up with me! You cheated on me, you STD bitch! Hey! Who are you? Wait, whoa!
Who are you guys?
I heard you! What is this?
Hey, we can do this! Why are you attacking me?
Are we good?
He's my bodyguard!
Spare me.
Give me 2 reasons why I shouldn't kill him.
I don't know. But...
Yeah, hello? The job is done.
Alright.
Look, I got it.
I think this is the baby.
Look, I got it.
Deceased. Mr. Kumar.
Boss, the job's done.
Good. Find me this man,
What's his name?
Peter, and kill him.
Dead or alive?
Ah, bring me his head.
Gotcha.